yeah, sure. Okay guys, I'm going to have to pause you again while I go get a hammer and probably a chisel and beat this thing off of this mount here, so. Okay. Go straight for the big gun. No use farting around with a small ball peen hammer because you know you're going to end up going for this anyway, so. You know what, I'm just going to pause you guys and come back again when I get this because I'm going to be really going at it here. Maybe now we can get it off. There we go. There we go. Oh boy. I'm almost looking at a new mount here too while I'm at it. Woo. Not bad. Still, just looks bad, but it's okay. The mount is still good yet, so gotta continue on and get the other one apart. And yeah. Okay, we need to get something a little more substantial. Well, I guess it ain't going to be pretty, but if we can get it functional, that's the main thing at this this stage of the game, so I can get something better fixed up. There we go. Oh hell, just go right at it. There we go. These are stainless steel, so they're pretty stiff metal, and they're hard to get them to bend back once you get a sharp crease, and it's going to look like crap or whatever because they're going to have ding marks from the hammer in it, but better than having a big folded over, well, tire tread in the middle of it, so. Oh. Okay. Now for the fine finessing. God. Whew. Okay, almost there. Well, other than a bunch of ding marks, we're getting it. Like I say, normally I wouldn't be doing this. If straightening a piece of sheet metal or something, you use blocks of woods and rubber mallet and things like that, and you can get it actually pretty decent, but this is hardened stainless steel or polished stainless steel, and this stuff is it's pretty tough stuff, so holy moly. Okay, I gotta get a pair of vice grips and bend these lips back on the edges here that are folded over. So anyways, I'll put you guys on pause here. Okay, finessing and finagling here with the vice grips, and we'll almost have it. Yes, I know, this is caveman style of doing things, but this is making the best out of a bad situation. I don't have time to go looking for or make a trip into town, and I'm not spending $400 or $600 a stainless steel fender when there's plenty of good used options out there. But like I say, I don't have time to go running around and see who's got what where. Right now, I don't need fancy, I need functional. And this is going to be functional. No, it's going to be ugly. Going to look like crap. But hey, it's got some shine on it. Okay. That. We've actually got this to within some sort of reasonable. Oh. Okay. Come on, you bugger. You know what? That is 90% better than it was. I gotta fold this lip back a little bit, bang this back, and then I gotta get this, well, I gotta get the mount unbolted off the back, which is nice. Everything is all stainless steel. This is probably less than 6 months old. Somebody just put this on there. I know where this probably come off of. It's there's a tanker company that hauls on a major highway past here, a few miles south of me here. They make runs back and forth across the international border every day. Several trucks, and they've got these, everything is stainless steel on their tanker trucks, of course, the fancy. But they got some nice rigs, and they have all these wheel tubs and quarter fenders and splash guards, and everything is stainless on their trucks and their tanker units. So I'm sure this shook off, and say the bracket broke and they lost it and they got sucked under a tire, but the fender got the face edge of the fender got the worst of it. The rest of the mount is literally undamaged, so we just got to get the sheet metal back into a functional form again. And yeah, anyways, I don't know how much more of this I'm going to be able to film here. It's getting late in the day and starting the sun's setting. It's getting lights getting low, so I think this will be continued in tomorrow, or we'll come back to it then or whatever, and I'll finish beating this out and see if we can get it mounted up to the truck. But anyways, you guys know what's going on now, so we're fully into spring now, and we're, like I say, I lost probably a month's worth of filming footage here that I would have liked to have shared with you, but unfortunately I think it's gone forever. So anyways, we'll pick up here, and there'll be some old videos coming up here in from earlier in the winter and stuff of me. I've got a couple of videos left there to go, I guess, or well, more than a couple, but anyways, I got some chainsaw stuff in there, and there'll be some more chainsaw stuff coming up or whatever. So unfortunately, like I say, I lost a lot of it, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna cry about it now. We'll figure it out. So anyways, okay guys, thanks for stopping in, and as usual, take care. Okay guys, we decided we're just going to keep on rolling here. We got a big work like set up, and we're going to keep going here because I just found out there's supposed to be a big rainstorm coming in a few days time here. Field that I'm supposed to be hauling out of I can get into right now, but we get 2-3 days of rain, then it'll be who knows when, and I want to get those bales out of there already. So bales will be fine. They won't be sitting in water or anything like that. It's just it's going to get muddy, and I won't be able to get across to where they're sitting. So we're just going to keep on beating on this thing and hammer it out, so to speak, literally, figuratively and literally, and try and get this sucker put on the truck here yet tonight, because tomorrow I got to fix the tire for the trailer, and then maybe by the end of the day or day after I can finally get rolling and get moved out to where I need to get a tractor set up over there and start moving bales. But anyways, we're going to keep on here. So one final dent in here that I got to work out, and then like I say, this is getting just plain damn ugly. But at this point, like I say, I need something that's just functional to keep the DOT off my ass type of thing. So nothing worse than if you got a missing mud flap or a broken mirror, and raggedy ass things like that draws attention to yourself. No, this isn't pretty, but it's functional, and it'll meet the requirements. So okay, this thing is irritating the hell out of me. I took the mounting bracket off while I was off camera so I could finish beating out the dent here. Now I'm just going to get this flap extender reinforcement strip off of here. These are tack welded onto the fender. Of course, half of them are tore off, so at this point just take the whole damn thing off and be done with it. So I don't have to listen to this thing flapping and rattling around. There we go. Noise maker. Now I'll make some more noise. Oh, that's better. Maybe not. Now you can see why my neighbors love me so much. As you can tell, I can still laughing inside. Oh, Oh, there we go. Finally, pop, you sucker. Holy crap. Oh. Whew. Hard on the arm and hard on the ear. Oh. Almost. We're getting it. Oh god. This is gonna... Actually, not half bad. Looks worse on the side that you're beating on because you're putting all these little ping marks in it, but the back side of it though, where it's against the dirt, actually is... Thing is, you're going to beat on metal like this if you're not, just to get something functionally working. The best thing to do is don't do it on a concrete shop floor or even up on blocks of wood, because you'll get weird creases and stuff unless you're trying to get out a specific very deep bend. The best thing I found for doing this kind of stuff is literally just, we've got a lot of sandy soil here, so just find a soft spot in the edge of the grass and on the topsoil. Works wonderful for get this kind of stuff straightened out. So. Oh. Well, we got a couple more dings here to work out. Not the end of the world. Oh, I think I'm gonna... Sucks getting older. Come on. Hey, hey. We almost got it. Odd parts under the thing, you won't even see it. That is acceptable. We almost have a usable fender again. Well, going to be some final finessing and tweaking here to get it, if you can call it that. But laugh if you will, but oh, man, these things are stiff. Almost. Oh, turn the block a little bit. There we go. Come on. You know you want to. Come on. There we go. Hey, look at that. A little bit more on this side. Come on. Well, what do you know? We have a usable fender. Ah. Almost. Don't want any weird sharp edges to catch tires or anything like that. But we'll set it back far enough that it doesn't anyways. But hey, there we go. Look at that. bend in it there, right where the bracket was there, so. Well, son of a gun. Well, you know what? It's not pretty, but boy oh boy. It gets me out of a jam for a short-term fix here, so. Now we got oh, you know what? We're gonna call that good. We're gonna remount our bracket on here for our fender mount, and in the next 30 minutes here we're gonna have this on the truck. Like I say, it ain't gonna look pretty, but I'm not after pretty at this point. Oh, I think we're gonna have a return of Rubber Man here again. That's a stubborn dent there. I don't know why now I'm getting fussy. Now I'm trying to make it not look so bad. Whatever. As you can see now, it's getting warped. Oh, put it on the block, I wouldn't jump on it a couple more times and we're there. Oh, I should have left it alone. Or you play with it, or you bugger it up, it seems. Well, you know what, guys, we're just going to take and bolt it on, and then I'll literally grab it and give it a yank and pull it back to where it, whatchamacallit. A lot of beating and banging here. Metal gets distorted, it just does, but it loses its there. It's gonna be a little bit kitty wompy, but wampus, whatever the hell you want to call it. But okay, we're gonna keep going. I gotta get that other spud out of that mount there, and okay, folks. Well, it ain't the prettiest, but actually, it's got a lot longer skirt than the other one I had on it, so do a better job of protecting my tank. It's going to come up somewhere or whatever once, right now the suspension's right down on the blocks or whatever, because there's no air in the system, but once she airs up and the suspension comes up, it'll come up some more, and it'll sit just about right. So no, this turned out really well. Like I say, it's banged up, scratched up, ugly, but it's going to serve a functional purpose for the time being, and didn't cost me anything other than an hour of my time and beating till my arm went numb, but whatever. So it's on here, it's mounted up, one more thing ready to go. So tomorrow we're going to get on to working on the trailer and get a tire or two fixed up, and we're going to get on to other projects here, and I got to start, like I say, get on to moving that hay. So anyways, Again, thanks for stopping by, checking it out. Catch up with you guys later.